guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabens on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, TS Galaxy 2, Jackson Spears 0. I'm joined by the fans president, the one, the only, jersey number 10.
Number 10, yes.
Yeah.
Mr. Stibo. Today's game.
Yeah.
Igame namhlanje imnandi kakhulu Mr. Stibo.
Bemnandi Puto
And
Mtala.
I want to tell you something, Stibo.
Yeah.
You will never beat Sundowns and not win the cup.
Amen.
You are going straight to the finals.
Yeah.
And you can never beat Pirates and not reach the final.
Yeah.
Kasrik is going there. We are going to see Mpumalanga Derby.
Oh, nge-final.
Siya final siyohlangana khona nabomkhaya.
Kasrik and TS.
Kasrik and TS. But unfortunately we will prevail.
Yeah.
We will win.
So babulala ku-final.
Sibadala ngithi kusina.
Yeah.
Sibabulala.
Sibabulala.
We are ready. Ayazi na.
Puto Mtala, whoa. Before celebrate. Nigga man of the match.
Yeah, today's game.
Yeah.
Today's game man of the match yami. Good today's game man of the match yami.
Yeah.
Nginika u-Ira my goalkeeper.
U-Ira.
Tape Ira.
Oh.
Useve kakhulu Tape Ira.
Yeah.
Because when you can check well, Jackson Spears.
Yeah.
It's unknown.
Yeah.
Asiyathi ukuthi idlala njani lo Jackson Spears.
Yeah.
But sikhonile kuyibamba
Yeah.
sishaye.
Ngiyakuthola Puto Mtala.
Ayikhona kuma record noma check ama records.
Yeah.
It's nowhere to be found.
Ayikho.
But we made sure ukuthi siyabashaya.
Yeah. Puto Mtala ucanga ukuthi kuzokora bani ku-TS next game.
Next game.
Yeah.
Ominika Ngwenya na Mahlambi.
Ungwenya noMahlambi.
Yes.
uMahlambi uqoka jersey number
27.
Jersey number 27. Lalela ke Puto Mtala. iNedbank ithi mangathatha i-personal loan ye-2,000 or 20,000.
I go for 20.
uMahlambi makangakora leyo mali angeke uyibhadale.
Ayibuye, I'm going there definitely sure.
Yeah.
Ayibuye.
Uyothatha i-loan.
Ngiyothatha i-loan for
And then
Mahlambi.
ngitshele before uhamba i-Chiefs izothathani this season.
Zero, nothing.
Nothing.